Yo, what's up guys? We back out here with the Jetta. I know you guys missed this car, and trust me, there will be a lot of projects coming up. But first, we need to get this catch can on. I don't know why, for some reason. I was supposed to install the catch can before I did the turbo, but I ended up forgetting about it, and now I got a whole bunch of oil built up in my intercooler. So to fix that problem, I'm gonna install the oil catch can. So here I got the whole kit laid out for you guys. This kit is exclusively for the Mark IV Jettas and Golfs 1.8T. Quick overview of what's included. We got the catch can, hardware, which has couplers and some screws, silicone return and feed lines. We got the catch can bracket and another little bracket, which is for the power steering hose. Now this catch can is a little bit smaller than the one for the FSI engine. As you can see by the height, the reservoir is much shorter, pretty much identical from the top. Otherwise the catch can design is the same. Anyways, let's get this bad boy on. Since my setup is not stock, I really can't go off the instructions. The routing for my hoses is going to be way different. Plus I got some extra wires and hoses lying around, so I'm going to have to improvise on the way. But catch can mounting bracket is going to be the same, which is right here where the two studs are.
Bruh.